Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have four different radical PQRS. P is radical with ester, Q is with ether, R is with cyanide, S is with cyanide and ether. You have to find most stable radical among it. Here you have to learn the new concept which is Captodative effect, meaning electron withdrawing group and electron donating group in the same system stabilize the radical. So let us analyze the all situation. Here ester is electron withdrawing because of carbonate, cyanide also withdrawing, so methoxide is electron donating. So if you look at it, minus M effect in the P, Q also plus M, R also minus M. So S is our only possibility, which has minus M and plus M. So Captodative effect is possible. So most stable system according to Captodative effect. If you are interested, you have to study separately. The concept you have to learn here is Captodative effect. It's a special stability for the radicals. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.